I made this wheel right here with Photoshop, and this video is going to be exactly how I made it and how I assembled it. So have fun watching. So to make the centerpiece, I started out with the black background. I measured the size of the centerpiece and I imported the logo that I wanted. I cut out a bit of it and then I got it over here, put it in the center, and sent it to my printer to print. So that's how I made the centerpiece. Getting it on was an actual different story. So I printed the paper out and I put it in a paper cutter to cut the edges off of it so that it was all nice and even, so that when we put it on the center there is no need to do that. So I took a pencil and traced a ring around where I wanted to cut the square piece of paper. And then I took a pair of scissors and neatly cut around the ring that I had just created so that it would fit perfectly on the center. So I took some tape rings and just stuck them on the back of the little picture we had cut out, and then I applied them to the center of the wheel, and that's what it looks like done. So yeah. So what I did for the labels was I actually measured the top because they're triangles, so I measured the length, overestimated probably a little, and then I measured at the top from point to point and most likely overestimated a bit. But then I did a vertical type for the prize for whatever they would be winning if they got on that. And I used this color sampler to find the colors, so hopefully that'll work. If not, I'm out of plans. But yeah, so let's get on to how I attached the... So all I did was I put the pieces of paper that I printed out in the paper cutter, cut straight and cut angles. So after doing that to all four colors, we then put tape on the back of them and stuck them on to the wheel in their color coordinated spots, and we ran out of printer ink halfway through, so that was a bit of an issue, but then we put it all back together and let's see the finished product. So as you can see, it spins smoothly and the center turns a bit, but we'll ignore that. So as always guys, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this and more gaming videos, and click that like button and I will see you in our next video. Bye.